Welcome back to your English lesson. In this lesson, you'll learn 5 polite ways to ask for help in English. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to ask for help naturally, clearly, and respectfully in real situations. Let's start. Phrase 1. Could you help me with this? Use this when you need someone's assistance in a general situation. Example: could you help me with this report? This is one of the safest and most polite ways to ask for help. You can use it at work, in school, or in daily life. Phrase 2. Do you mind giving me a hand? Use this when you want to sound friendly and polite. It sounds respectful without being too formal. Example: do you mind giving me a hand with this box? This phrase is great when the task is physical or practical. It sounds warm and approachable. Phrase 3. I'm having trouble with this part. Can you explain it? You'll hear native speakers use this all the time. Use this when you need help understanding something. It sounds honest, clear, and very natural. Example: I'm having trouble with this part. Can you explain it to me? This is perfect for school, work, or learning new skills. It shows that you've already tried but need guidance. Phrase 4. Would you mind showing me how to do it? Use this when you want someone to demonstrate something. This phrase is polite and gentle. It's perfect when you want someone to guide you step by step. Would you mind showing me how to upload this file? Phrase 5. Can I ask for your help for a moment? Works well in both formal and casual situations. Use this when you need quick assistance. This phrase is short, polite, and very useful. It tells the listener that you won't take much of their time. Example: can I ask for your help for a moment with this form? Let's review the 5 phrases. Could you help me with this? Do you mind giving me a hand? I'm having trouble with this part. Can you explain it? Would you mind showing me how to do it? Can I ask for your help for a moment? Great job today. Practice these phrases daily so you can ask for help politely and confidently in English. Follow and subscribe for more lessons like this. Subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Help this channel grow by subscribing. Thank you.